If you want me, call me, okay? Bye.
Hey, Lorelai. Lorelai, who's your favorite Sesame Street character?
Grover.
Grover is? It is? Are you sure? Cool. What about Abby? Do you love Abby?
Abby comes for dinner, too.
Abby's coming for dinner? Wow.
Where are you going?
Listen, I just went around and round and round. That's better. Now I'm coming back.
Are you a bug? What kind of bug are you?
I'm a ladybug.
You're a ladybug. Cool.
Can you crawl like a turtle?
I can't. I do that.
What about fly like a bird? Like Kim and Carrots?
No. I can't. I'm back.
You're back.
Who are you going to
Cool.
call?
Nothing.
You not going to call anybody? Who are you calling?
Nothing. I just moved it back. That's a little sofa.
Why don't you call Mimi?
Maybe just call somebody and I don't know.
You can call Tinkerbell?
Hi.
Who are you talking to?
Hi, people. How are you doing? Good. I home and I come in tomorrow. And you coming over too? That sounds perfect.
It sounds perfect. Big Bird can definitely come over.